Hello, my name is Adiego Joshua, leader of Group 3. We carried out this project, a simple vacuum cleaner. My group members are Chinonso Philip Iweshi, Richard Blessing Valerie, Sunday Grace Okun, Ridwan Atanda, Afis Aziz, Sherifuddin Abolade, Okpeyemi Muftaru, Abdul Salam Musa, and Linus Okpe. This project is made up of some simple components. Number one, we have here the ultrasonic sensor. Two, we have the Arduino Nano. We also have here, we have 7805 regulator, 7809 voltage regulators, and also over here we have a driver IC to power these motors. These are the motors, true DC motors. They are both 5 volts each. And also in it we have a PC fan that does the cleaning. The PC fan that does the cleaning. This project is to clean dirt, simple vacuum cleaner to clean dirt around a room or an environment. And right now we want to carry out the testing. Before that, ultrasonic sensor is to detect if there is an obstacle in front, then avoid it, either to move to the right, to move to the left, and there is a 5-second delay for every movement. So we'll move on to the testing process now. Please, right here you can see the dirt. Then when it passes over it, you see to pick them. You can see. Can we see? Can we see?